walk the sand of Utah Beach with my shoes sunk deep and slow. The tide kept pulling at the line like it still remembered June. The markers stood in patient rows. The plaques were worn but clear. I read the names out under breath and felt the salt burn near. 6th of June, 1944, the date sat heavy in my chest. Every step felt borrowed now, every stone a quiet test. Utah Beach, I remember. Utah Beach, I remember. Hands once held this ground, now we stand and bow. Utah Beach, I remember. Utah Beach, I remember. What was paid in sand, what still speaks out loud. A helmet rests behind glass, a rusted buckle, a torn coat seam. Little pieces of a vanished day kept sharp in frame and beam. I passed the monuments in line, white stone against the gray. No grand speech could cover what the wind was saying there. Sixth of June, 1944. It never left this shore. It lives in every footstep here and asks for silence more. Utah Beach, I remember. Utah Beach, I remember. Hands once held this ground, now we stand and bow. Utah Beach, I remember. Utah Beach, I remember. What was paid in sand, what still speaks out loud. For the fathers, for the sons, for the faces lost to foam, for the courage and the terror, for the long way home. I left a flower by the stone, small as a prayer can be. I heard the sea keep telling, we do not walk this free. Utah Beach, I remember. Utah Beach, I remember. Hands once held this ground, now we